Hey everyone, this is Advertise.ai. Today is an important moment, especially for small and mid-sized businesses. We're introducing Agentic AI and Worker AI. AI workers designed to actually run business tasks, not just help you think about them. Right now, most AI tools are impressive, but they still need constant attention. You have to prompt them, review everything, copy results from one tool to another. For business owners and lean teams, that's not automation, that's just more work. At Advertise.ai, we believe AI should work for you, even when you're busy or offline. That's why we built Worker AI. Worker AI agents live in the cloud. They take minutes to set up, no coding, no technical background required. Once they're live, they run 24/7, inside the tools you already use. Email, CRM, calendar, e-commerce, files, messaging, marketing, operations. These agents don't just think, they act. They can search your CRM, analyze contacts, send follow-ups, generate and email reports, schedule meetings, update records, publish content, and coordinate across tools like Gmail, HubSpot, Slack, Google Drive, Shopify, Monday.com, and more, all from a single goal. What makes Advertise.ai different is that it's built for real teams, not just individuals. When one person sets up an agent, the whole business benefits. Agents are shared, reusable, auditable, and governed, so nothing runs out of control. You decide how autonomous an agent can be, what tools it can access, when human approval is required, and what it's allowed to spend. You stay in control, always. And unlike many platforms, you're not locked into one AI model or ecosystem. Advertise.ai works with multiple AI tools and providers, so you always get the best option for the job, without vendor lock-in. Early users are already using Worker AI to automate CRM follow-ups, send reports automatically, manage content and social media, coordinate marketing campaigns, and handle operational work that used to take hours, now done in minutes. This isn't a prototype. It's not a demo. It's real work running every day. We built Advertise.ai because AI shouldn't require a large budget, a technical team, or an AI engineer to be useful. Any business, any team size, any industry, AI should be practical, collaborative, and accountable, so you can focus on growing your business instead of managing tools. Advertise.ai, Agentic AI, and Worker AI are launching in the next few weeks, and we can't wait to see what your agents build and how much work they take off your plate.